Hey guys, so I'm facing the challenge to drill two 2-meter long holes in our cave for ventilation shafts to improve a little bit of airflow in the cave and improve the humidity we have in there. And the problem is I don't have the tools required for that, so I don't have a gas-powered earth driller. So the idea I came up with, I have this mortar mixer which has around 2000 watts and quite a little bit of torque. And I will try to connect a earth drill bit to it. I bought this on Amazon. It's about 50-60 bucks. So I'm looking for a cheap solution actually. I don't want to spend $1,000 on an earth driller. So now I'm going to install this drill bit on the mortar mixer, and as the mortar mixer has a M14 screw and the drill bit is just a shaft, we need this adapter with M14 screw, and on the bottom side there's the shaft which goes into the drill bit. This one is also from Amazon, so you can get all the tools there if you're looking for that solution. If it works out, we'll see afterwards. I've never done it, so let's give it a try. And now I'm gonna install the drill bit. And also I have two extensions for the drill bit. The drill bit itself is 1 meter and each of these is a 1/2 meter. So in total, we're gonna get 2 meters of drilling and hopefully I'll come through. So now we've got everything put together and let's give it a try. Let's see if it works. I'm actually a little bit concerned if it's gonna have enough torque to drill through the earth. And also as it's 2 meters, so it's quite deep. And there's quite a few stones in the earth, so let's see if it works. So as you just saw, it went pretty well. Actually, I was quite surprised. I gave it like a 50-50 chance for success, being concerned mainly about the torque of this machine, but I was running the machine only at around 30 to 40% of its power, so it has more than enough torque. And yeah, I just can recommend to anyone, if you have a mortar driller and you need a cheap solution for earth drilling, just get that drill bit on Amazon, get the connector. I'll put all the links down there in the description, and if you have any question, feel free to reach out.